Welcome to Homemaking with Mema. My name is Wendy and I'm bringing you along today while I get my pantry shelves cleaned.
In this video, you're not only seeing me clean the shelves, I'm also going to be checking the dates on all the food. I'm not going to the items that aren't food, but checking the dates, and I pull aside anything that's out of date that's just 2024. There might be one or two that are stragglers, but I am checking the dates and setting those items aside so that I can force our family to eat it.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
This is what I need to incorporate in what we eat up. This is more priority. Unfortunately, some transferred from last year into here, such as this ham stuff, but I haven't made ham broth yet. And I plan on incorporating some of this in with the ham broth that I make and that I can. Just haven't done that yet. I have all this ramen, beef and chicken. I have the Kodiak dark chocolate pancake mix. I was gonna make something special with that, and I can't remember what it is. I have sugar-free barbecue sauce that needs to get eaten up. I have some Rayo's tomato basil pasta sauce, a can of manwich, a can of sliced pears, 2 cans of corn, better than bouillon, chicken and beef. I wasn't good at using this, well, because I've been making my own. So now I've got to try to incorporate that. I have this coconut milk still here. I have this ham flavoring, which that rolled over from last year's stuff that I needed to use. And I'm going to actually be making pork broth. I have some pork bones that I want to make some broth with. I'm going to incorporate this as well. Probably not the healthiest thing to do, but at least I'll be able to use this up. Just haven't done that yet. I have some white rice. I have 1 pack of blueberry muffin mix, 1 chicken gravy, and a beef stew. And this rolled over from 2022, but this is canning gel. It's the low pectin. When I canned with it, I didn't really care for it that much. That's why I haven't used it. But now I have to use it because I need to get it used up. So this is it as far as what I need to incorporate in our foods to use it up. And now I have all of this. It's nice and clean. I'll bring you back a little bit. All the shelves are clean. Everything's dusted off. It doesn't get too dusty in here. Put back on the shelf. The older dates are in the back. The older dates are in the front. Newer dates are in the back. So yeah, now I can start stocking up. I don't plan on doing that until after our trip in February here. So, well, and I did stock up for a little while before. I think it was in December sometime. But now I'm going to be focusing in March in stocking up more on just the things that we eat. I'm no longer going to be purchasing things that we don't really go through that much. Like, example, this ham concentrate. We don't do a lot of coconut milk, but I do want to try and incorporate that more. The bouillons, I don't really use them much anymore. I think these were more of a COVID buy. Same with that. But yeah, that's it. I did want to show you some of the canned item, the empty jars that I have. We are eating from our pantry, and just showing you, it's such a good feeling to have this to turn to. And so these will get put away so that I can put new product into it. What I'm going to put into them, other than that pork broth that I have planned, I don't know. We will see. It's good having these jars emptied and knowing that I'm using what I have, which is such a great feeling. That's why I do my canning. That project is done. I'm so glad to have it done. It's been kind of eating away at me. I don't really see any problem getting rid of eating through all this. It's really not that much. It's probably less than I've had before. I've made it a point not to buy the items that I know that we don't eat more of. I've made it focused on just purchasing the items that we do eat more of. Because right now it just doesn't make sense to overstock. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.